बादल बादल ठाओ ठाओ लहर।
तो ये है Amazon का 5th generation Echo Dot with Alexa. मेरे experience में this is the smartest speaker that has ever launched in India. And I have my top 5 reasons why you should buy it. Number 1 है great audio. इसमें redesigned audio architecture है. The new Echo Dot delivers very clear vocals and up to double the bass of the previous generation. Clearly the best sounding Echo Dot ever. Number 2, motion detection. आप enter करते हैं room and the Echo Dot can actually sense it. Automatically turn on कर सकता है lights or switch them off when the room has been vacant for some time. Truly magical, isn't it? Number 3, temperature sensor. I love this one. नया Echo Dot automatically turn on कर सकता है your smart AC if the room temperature goes above, let's say 30 degrees, or turn it off when it goes below, say 20 degrees. ये जो temperature options हैं, they can be set up in the Alexa app. No smart AC, no worries. Make your normal AC smart by using a 16 amp smart plug available as a combo offer with the Echo Dot on Amazon. सब कुछ सोच लिया, right? Number 4, hands-free access. Just like with all Echo devices, आप use करिए अपनी voice to play music and rhymes, set alarms and much more. Let me show you. Alexa, play Saathi.
साथ साथ है साथी।
Beautiful, right? Number 5, easy pause and resume. अभी मैंने किया, I'll show you again. Just tap the device, that's all. Very convenient. Let me give you another demo. मेरा म्यूजिक चल रहा है. Suddenly I get a call. I'm like, चलो कॉल पे बात कर लेते हैं. Hi, I'll call you later. Call done. Tap. The music is back. Beautiful. So that's the Echo Dot 5th generation. Really opens up the possibility of क्या क्या कर सकते हैं with Alexa, from listening to music to making your home super smart.